Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on the Acorns app. Let's dive into how this micro-investing platform can help you grow your wealth. Acorns helps you start investing with small amounts, making it accessible for everyone. You can begin with as little as $5, choosing from 5 different diversified portfolios. These portfolios are designed by experts to match your risk tolerance, ensuring your money works hard for you. It's a simple way to begin building wealth over time, without needing a large initial investment. One of the easiest ways to make money with Acorns is through its roundups feature. Every time you make a purchase, Acorns rounds up to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Imagine buying a coffee for $3.75. 25 cents gets invested. Additionally, Found Money lets you earn extra investments from hundreds of popular brands when you shop. These small, consistent contributions truly add up, helping your money grow without you even noticing. For long-term financial goals, Acorns later allows you to invest in a retirement account, like an IRA, with potential tax advantages. Setting up recurring investments ensures you consistently contribute to your future. Furthermore, Acorns Earn provides opportunities to receive bonus investments by engaging with various offers, such as completing surveys or signing up for new services. These additional features offer powerful ways to accelerate your savings and build substantial wealth over many years. Acorns Checking provides a debit card that can automatically invest a portion of your paycheck directly into your investment accounts. This smart deposit feature makes saving effortless. Remember, maintaining a diversified portfolio is key to long-term success, spreading your investments across thousands of stocks and bonds. Regularly reviewing your portfolio and adjusting your contributions ensures your investments align with your evolving financial goals. Acorns makes it simple to manage your money and grow your wealth effectively.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.